Hi guys! Welcome to my channel with my pamangkin, Muwan!
Yeah.
So, we're gonna play and I will show it to you and say it in front of them, okay?
Okay.
What's this?
Excavator.
With?
Bucket and boom and arm.
Very good. What's this?
Bulldozer with blade.
Very good. What's this?
Dumper with bed.
Very good. What's this?
Make it rock with making cake, taking and making.
Very good. What's this?
Make it rock.
Okay. What's this?
And with Robbie.
Very good. What's this?
With a clock.
Very good. What's this?
Mother clock again.
Very good. What's this?
Poppy and a skateboard.
Poppy and skateboard. And who's this? Who's this? Who is this? This one.
Ice bear.
This one.
Panda.
This one.
Bear.
Very good. What's this?
Ski.
Jet ski.
Dicky.
Very good. And what do you call this one?
Looking station.
No, microscope.
Microscope.
Very
I
good.
thought it is not a microscope.
You thought it's not a microscope.
Yeah.
What's this?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Very good.
I have one of that toy.
What is the difference between bicycle and tricycle? Explain to them.
Bicycle has 2 wheels and tricycle has 3 wheels.
3 wheels. Very good. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video.
Don't forget to like, share,
share,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.